Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GeForce Experience driver update and rollback step by step clearly. Open your computer and ensure you are connected to the internet. Locate and open the GeForce Experience application on your desktop. If you don't have the application, download it from the official NVIDIA website and install it. Once the application is open, navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to access the configuration options. In the settings menu, find the General tab on the left side. Within the General tab, look for the in-game overlay option. Make sure the in-game overlay toggle is turned on to enable additional features. Next, find the section labeled Driver within the settings menu. Check for an option labeled Automatically Download Drivers and Software to ensure automatic updates are enabled. If you wish to see the latest updates, navigate back to the main GeForce Experience interface. Click on the Drivers tab located at the top of the window. Here, you will see the most recent driver updates that are available for your graphics card. If an update is available, click on the Download button to begin downloading the latest driver. Once the download is complete, Express Installation or Custom Installation option will appear. Select Express Installation for a quick setup or custom installation if you want to select specific components. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. To roll back a driver, return to the Drivers tab after the installation. Click on the Beta or Previous Driver option if available. Select the previous version you wish to install. Click on the Download button next to the desired driver version. Follow the same installation steps to complete the rollback process. Once finished, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Check the driver version in GeForce Experience to confirm the update or rollback was successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.